Wood Venetian blinds at Curtains and Blinds Direct UK Limited.
Elegant and sophisticated, our made-to-measure wooden Venetian blinds provide a contemporary alternative to curtains by offering crisp, clean lines with the fusion of our deluxe headrail system and beautiful blinds.
Our headrail with its continuous loop system enables a completely smooth operation to be achieved even with large blinds and has the added benefit of being child-friendly.
Blinds offer a simplistic modern look with lots of versatility. The slats tilt from front to back, good for light control into the room with the addition of adding privacy.
Our amazing made-to-measure wooden Venetian blinds offer a modern, luxurious approach to window covering by combining practicality,
as they are neat, durable and real value for money. With a wide variety of colors and finishes available, we really do have a shade to suit everyone.
Blinds are often viewed as the perfect balance between the traditional look of curtains and the more contemporary appearance of blinds.
With a huge range of plain, traditional and more modern design available, wooden Venetian blinds can be made to suit any decor.
If you're looking for a luxury custom-made wooden Venetian blinds, you can find all your need at leadinginteriors.com.
And is the perfect choice for style and value for money. Our leadinginteriors.com is designed to make buying happy, simple, secure and a pleasure, so have a look around.
You might find something you like and order your beautiful wooden Venetian blinds from Curtains and Blinds Direct UK Limited.
To book an appointment with our interiors designer, you can contact us on 0208 861 6364.
Curtains and Blinds Direct UK Limited at Devonshire House, 582 Honeypot Lane, Stanmore, postcode HA71J, S Middlesex.
Trading with Curtains and Blinds Direct UK Limited will give you memories you will cherish for years.